Hi guys, it's Sharon here from Butterfly Lullaby, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best, healthiest fairy ice cream possible, the Butterfly Lullaby way. So what you need is 30 ounces of distilled water in a blender, a cup of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of almonds, 4 tablespoons of cacao, and 2 cups of dates. Now if you've got a sweet tooth like me, you may need to add more dates, so that's up to you. And this is also up to you. I add a cup of my wonderful herb, which has kept me healthy for a long time. I used to be asthmatic, and I've not had any drugs for a long time now, thanks to my smoothie, which is Japanese knotweed. So I like to add it into my ice cream, but it's up to you if you want to do this. What I'm going to do is actually add a link to my friend Chris in America, who's a herbalist, so she can tell you all about Japanese knotweed and whether you think that you can use it or not. So yeah, you can get some advice there and some information on this herb. Anyway, so you can knock it out completely if you don't want it anyway. So you also need a nut bag, a sieve, and a little jug. I've got a little metal jug there. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to add the desiccated coconut. If you can get organic, I would, because I think it's better for you, really. Almonds, but not everybody can afford organic, so we have times when we can't afford it, so it's up to you. It's still healthy, whatever. Dates as well. Okay, so I've added the almonds, the desiccated coconut, the cacao. I'm going to add the dates in there as well. It's all going to go in basically. So as I said before, it's absolutely up to you if you want to use the herbal plant Japanese knotweed or not. And if you do use it, make sure you get some foraging advice, because pesticides are really bad for you. You don't want to be going foraging where there's pesticides. I'm looking forward to remaking this video when it comes to spring, yay! Because then the Japanese knotweed springs up and it's lovely. It's the best time to forage for it. So I'm hoping to do a new video in March. Okay, so it's blended quite well and it's nice and smooth now. But what I like to do is I don't like my ice cream to have bits in. So I'm going to sieve it into this bowl here. And then I'm going to add it to the nut bag and squeeze out all the ingredients. Okay, I'm slowly sieving through this. But we're getting there, yay! So the stuff that's in the bowl will be put into a nut bag and I will, strain again. But yeah, I'm going to keep going and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I like to sort of not overload the nut bag because otherwise it's hard to squeeze out. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time there, and I'm going to put it into my, I've been waiting 5 years for the ice cream condenser. I'm so lucky, I feel so spoiled because my partner's bought me one this year, and I'm loving it because I've got such a sweet tooth, and this is a way for me to lose weight because I don't have to have the dairy ice cream, and this is so much better. So anyway, I'm going to squeeze this out and put it into the condenser. So here we have the pulp in the nut bag and the beautiful ice cream liquid. The beauty of this is because I've not heated it up or anything, it can go straight into the condenser, the ice cream condenser, and I can go and walk the dog for half an hour, come back and it'd be ready. Yummy! Okay, so here's my beautiful condenser that I've been waiting 5 years for. My partner gave it to me as a present, so I'm so happy. Healthy ice cream at last. So yeah, I've got the ice cream in there. I haven't filled it up to the top because you shouldn't really anyway, but it's only me having it, so I've only just sort of done, I don't know, about a quarter of the mixture in there. And you just, this is a, I don't know how you say it, Cumio condenser ice cream maker, and what you do, I don't know if you can, oh, I can't really see because, I don't know, it's the lighting, is it? But anyway, it's 00 and it's got the ice cream sign there. I'll have to photograph it for you. So it's on the ice cream, it's flashing on and off, and then I just press here the on button. I'm going to put it on, I'm going to go for the doggy walk, and I'll be back. Here are the details to Nana's Naturals, my friend Chris in America, natural herbs. So if you want to find out more about Japanese knotweed, step over to her Facebook group. Here's a photograph of the finished, healthy fairy frost ice cream, keeping you healthy, the Butterfly Lullaby way. Please do leave me comments below if you've tried this ice cream and if your family enjoyed it. I'd love to hear from you. I'm going to leave you with a little clip from the Butterfly Lullaby audio story, which will hopefully be available this year, before Christmas 2023. The characters really come alive with the wonderful narrator, Owain Williams. Please do subscribe and leave me comments. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.
This was a fairy custom in fairyland. Most fairies snorkeled instead of kissing. They rubbed noses. And Autumn said, "You know, I have the power of knowledge. I can help you, Princess Melody. Hush your tears. Come in and have a lovely hot cup of fairy frost."